today, Sam Balsara on Vikram Sakhuja joining Madison. Fortune Oil sets up Mother Exchange. And an exclusive preview of Crack the Pepsi IPL's winning entry. Hello and welcome to Storyboard. I'm Pavni Mittal. We're going to begin the show with the big news of the week. Group M's Global Strategic Development Officer, Vikram Sakhuja, will now be joining Madison Media Group, including OOH, as equity partner and group CEO. So what does this move mean for Madison and, most importantly, the Indian media industry? Here's Madison World's Chairman and Managing Director Sam Balsara with all those answers.
It's quite a coup, and it's, let me not underplay it, two of the largest people in media are going to end up working under the same roof. So why do you need a Vikram Sakhuja inside of Madison?
Well, we are always looking at appropriate talent, and I think since this opportunity came about and Gautam has been wanting to relocate back to Singapore since his wife had already moved to Singapore, I thought it was a good opportunity for us to move forward with Vikram.
Tell me, why does a business which you've been running with Gautam, need a Vikram to come on board unless you've got some very ambitious plans?
Yes, of course we've got ambitious plans for Madison, but I must tell you that the dimension of our ambition is not necessarily to be measured in terms of billings or profits or number of accounts and stuff like that. If you measured Madison on all those conventional parameters, I think Madison is a failure.
Right.
So we have a different set of parameters. I think we are constantly in quest for improving the quality of our product, the quality of our service, changing with the times, updating, automating, bringing in new thinking. And I think from all those points of view, I think it's important, according to me, to have a good and strong CEO. So we've always had a CEO of Madison Media. I think out of the 13 years that Punita was here, I think she was CEO for very many years, and I think she did a brilliant job of taking Madison Media to great heights. I think when I got Gautam in, again the idea was to bring someone from a relevant but totally different background, came from a client who I respect a lot, which is Procter & Gamble, has been a media manager at the client end, has been a marketing, a brand person. I thought he would bring in a new perspective, which he did. Also, I think he brought an organizational perspective. So he did a lot in the last 2 years in terms of organization building, in terms of empowering people, in terms of processes, systems and stuff like that, coming as he did from larger organizations. So in a way, I think he did a good job in preparing Madison for greater growth. So I think there is nothing complex or there is no major strategy or deep thinking behind Vikram coming in. We were looking for a CEO. I have known Vikram for the last, I think, 20 years first as a client in P&G, then Coke, then as a media partner in Star TV, and then as a formidable competitor in Group M. And I have the highest respect for him. I think he is a true blue professional. I think besides that, he is a wonderful person and a friend. And I thought he is senior enough in the industry to warrant he being my first equity partner and a non-family member on the board of Madison.
So that's what I wanted to come to. Why was it important for him to hold equity? Why not just a professional CEO?
I thought it was quite important for him to view Madison as his own and also view it as a long-term destination where he gives it his commitment and everything. And I think as I have understood it from many professionals, it is every professional's dream to be an entrepreneur, and I think I facilitated it for Vikram by helping him become an entrepreneur. I think which probably worked well for him in his mind. That doesn't mean that he is not professional or anything like that, but I again do hold the view that you sort of cannot do better in today's world than being a professional and an entrepreneur.
Vikram, coming here, are we likely to see more focus on, for example, trading, which is a big strength of Group M?
I don't know if trading should be a strength. I mean, trading is, according to me, one of the elements of media. No doubt it is an important element, and clients are fascinated by it. But I think the overall media product is important, of which trading is important part.
Right. And if you go away from trading and go to planning, we are sitting in a very funny position where we've had no reliable print measurement. We don't know about TV. Now, what does a planner do if he doesn't have data to plan with? This is slightly off topic, but since we are here a few days before Bart comes, what would you like to see ideally happen in both IRS and TV measurement?
I think the future is definitely in single source data. I think the future is readership and viewership studies which measure cross media viewership through a single source. I think that is the future, and I feel that over the next 2-3 years the industry will move towards that. I think a lot of issues of measurement can be solved if the industry accepts a proper financing model and does not rely on either the advertiser or the media agency to fund such research. I am of the view that media research substantially helps the media owner in making agencies and advertisers adopt a particular medium more, and the biggest beneficiaries of media research are the media owners, and if they want highly reliable, authentic data in a in a highly complex and diverse country like India, then they have to be able to fund it substantially and not rely on agencies and advertisers to fund it.
Okay, and the last question, with Vikram coming, will we see Sam Balsara being freed to do more of sort of industry leadership practices and take up such issues, because we need that, and you're fully aware of that.
I don't know if you're alluding to the fact that, as somebody asked me yesterday, is Vikram part of my retirement plan?
No, I didn't allude to that.
No, it's
that's not
part of my retirement plan. My wife has told me that I'm not welcome at home on weekdays during the day. So I think I certainly would not want to get into Vikram's hair, but I think we will find a good equation where I'm able to use my strengths for the benefit of my clients and industry, and we will use Vikram's strengths again for the benefit of our clients, Madison and industry.
We're going to take a short break here. When we come back, Fortune Oil sets up Mother Exchange and an exclusive preview of Crash the Pepsi IPL's winning entry.